Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Today I'll be guiding you on how to fix the issue of Instagram chat theme change option not showing up on your iPhone or iPad. If you've encountered this problem while using Instagram Messenger, fret not, as I'll walk you through the steps to resolve it quickly. Let's jump right in without any delay. Firstly, open your Instagram app and navigate to the Messenger section. Click on any friend chat and you'll notice the option for theme change. If you're unable to see this option, don't worry, I'll help you fix it. To start, ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the App Store, search for Instagram, and if there's an update available, make sure to install it. Updating the app should resolve any existing issues with the theme change option. If the problem persists, it's time to free up some space on your device. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap on General. From there, select iPhone storage, find Instagram, and choose Offload App Confirm by tapping on Offload App again. After offloading the app, check if the issue is resolved. If not, long press on the Instagram app icon and select Remove App. Once removed, reinstall Instagram from the App Store. Log into your account again and check if the theme change option reappears. If you're still facing the issue, there's one more method you can try. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap on the three lines, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help, then report a problem. Describe the issue you're facing, mentioning that the theme change option is not showing up. Provide your Instagram username and email address for contact purposes. After submitting the report, Instagram's support team will assist you in resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram chat theme change option not showing up problem on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching.